How to fix too many requests, please try again later on Genshin Impact. This error usually means you sent too many login requests. So the first step is to uh, just wait for 15 minutes. The lockout is temporary, usually clears in 15 minutes. You can restart your computer or restart your phone if you want. Now, you can also restart your internet. Turn off your Wi Fi router for 1 minute and turn it back on, or connect to a mobile hotspot or different network to get a new IP address. Now, a third step is you can just basically connect to a VPN. So you can install this Turbo VPN or whatever VPN you want, and then use a VPN and connect to a different country such as Japan, Singapore, etc. This can bypass the IP rate limit. Next is clear cache. What you're going to do here is you have to long press this Ginseng Impact and then go to app info. Here, what you're going to do next is you have to look for the storage usage. Click this one and then tap on the clear cache. So tap on clear cache here. Delete and reinstall the application if needed. So the very last thing to do here to fix this is to uninstall Genshin Impact and then reinstall it again. So I do hope by doing this, it will somehow fix the problem. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.